Hello everyone, welcome to another week of Carolyn and her clothes and my outfits of the day. So what am I wearing today? This outfit today was inspired by the clothing catalog Boston Proper. I saw it on there and I just really thought it was classic but yet sharp and kind of like trendy at the same time. It had it all going on, but it's mostly classic. And I did not buy anything from Boston Proper. I just decided to recreate the outfit. So what am I wearing today? I am wearing, it's simple enough, white bootcut jeans, a white button-down top, a denim blazer, and my shoes are from White House Black Market. They're gold color. So it was basically a pair of gold color shoes she was wearing, a gold chain belt, completely white, and then a denim blazer. So the jeans are last year from Trendsend by Cut from the Cloth. The shoes are years old. They're like gold, like with a little bit of a wedge from White House Black Market. The button down is also years old from White House Black Market. The jacket is like circa like 2020 when Mix and Match was going out of business. It was by Liverpool. Got it for pretty cheap. And the only thing I didn't have for this outfit was the belt. So I hopped on Amazon and ordered a gold chain belt because you need that to complete the outfit. It was like a $10 belt. So I am thrilled with this outfit. It's nothing I would have ever thought to put with this denim blazer. I often struggle what to wear with this denim blazer. And I really like this outfit. I think that the chain belt is kind of what sets it off to make it a little bit more modern and classic. And I just did a unboxing and review of a company called Carrot Galaxy. I had never heard of them before. I took a chance and I'm pleasantly pleased. I got this really cute gold necklace from them that I plan on wearing today. I also paired it with these linked style earrings that I got from Stitch Fix Freestyle. I just kind of felt it goes with the outfit. And this is my outfit for today. Take care and see you tomorrow for another day of styling. Good morning, everyone. It is 7:15 in the morning and I am starving. So I went to the gym, back to my routine. I took Saturday and Sunday off because I was hurting and I feel great. So I went today, ran 2.6 miles and yeah, did the strength training on the floor and here I am. So what am I wearing today? So today I decided to break out my mauve jacket that I got from Nordstrom. Nordstrom had reached out to me and offered me $50 off for a personal styling session. I'll be honest with you, unless you're getting a coupon, I would not waste my time with Nordstrom personal styling. It's pretty awful. I got a coupon, so I can't complain, and I bought something, but as far as being stylist, there are people that work at the cashier and they're just gonna pick what you kind of suggest or just random things. So, I mean, they don't give you a whole outfit. Nothing beats front door fashion. I've not found a styling service yet that actually styles people. So, yeah, I mean, like I said, take that coupon if you get it, but I wouldn't recommend it as a styling service. So that's the jacket. The top I got from a Wantable months ago. It is a short sleeve and hence the jacket. Actually, I got the top actually more than months ago, a year ago. It's by Lucy Paris from a Wantable. It has this elasticized waist here that does pop up on me at times. I have them paired with a pair of high-rise, very basic, plain pants, jeans that I got from Stitch Fix. They're can, and they're a boot cut, and they're very comfortable. And when I got these, I decided to retire a pair I had from White House Black Market because they weren't a high rise. So yeah, I paired them with my white Steve Madden slide-ons and that is my outfit for today. Take care and see you tomorrow for another day of styling. Hello everyone, it is Tuesday, 7:30 in the morning. Did my typical gym routine, came home, ate, showered, took care of the bunny, and here I am. So my outfit of today is kind of similar to an outfit that I had about last week. So I'm wearing this coral jacket again that I got from Stitch Fix. I specifically requested it. I had a coral cardigan and it just got worn out and I actually think a third layer in the color coral for springtime is essential, at least for my wardrobe. I seem to have like a lot of tops that can go with coral. And as I said before, I always need some sort of jacket because I'm cold. So why not look like you're put together and dress with intention? Sure, I could wear a white sweater, which is what I always did previously. White sweater, black sweater, white sweater, black sweater. That's all I used to wear. But now I try and mash my third layers to make it look more like a complete outfit. So underneath this jacket, I have this love-hate relationship with this blouse that I'm wearing. I love the colors of this blouse. I love the style of the blouse. I'm just not too thrilled with the fit of this blouse. So I'll come closer, all right? Underneath I have a cami that I've had probably for about 15 years. It's from New York & Company, and it's in coral. So I said, hey, you know, I was flashing you otherwise. This has a really pretty coral, blue, and yellow floral pattern. The sleeves are puff with eyelet, and it's like a cotton material, different than the polyester of the blouse. It has a tie here on the side. None of the style bothers me. It's just the fact that it kind of pulls and puckers here at the bust line. Doesn't feel tight, like there's plenty of room this way. But like if I go like this, it pulls. So it kind of irks me that way. So just putting it out there. I'm not ready to get rid of this top because I just got it last year. I really do like the pattern and the print and even the style. But yeah, so the fit of it kind of annoys me. With it, I have paired my White House Black Market Ivory jeans. They're like a crop length, and they're supposed to be like a little bit of a kick flare, but I think they're more of a straight on me. And then my ivory loafers. Oh, and I do have on my Carrot Galaxy necklace, which I said I did a video on that. Actually, click above. I'm going to put the link above, and you can check out the video of the items that they sent me for my review. And I actually really like this necklace, so I'm pretty excited to have this. And I have on my Wantable little huggy earrings. Okay, and that is my outfit for today. Take care and see you tomorrow for another day of styling. Hi everyone, it is Wednesday and my outfit for today is this White House Black Market floral print blouse that I got back in 2018. Still love this blouse, loved it the day I got it, love it when I put it on this morning. And so this blouse I would call a medium floral print, all right? So it's not those little ditzy florals, but it's not those big in-your-face florals. It's a smaller print, but not a ditzy print. It's a blue top, and I don't know if you can see this or not, but it has like stripes in it, and then it has, they're muted stripes. Obviously you have to look really close. It's within the fabric itself that it's like striped. And then it has like a reddish color, light blue, yeah, and some yellow and green on this side. I'm a huge blue person to begin with, and I love florals. I don't care what's in style. I wear the prints that I particularly like. And this is the type of print that I tend to gravitate to. With it, I have paired a pair of my mother jeans that I got from a Nordstrom anniversary sale. So they were reduced because of the anniversary sale. They're like, I think they're supposed to be a kick flare. They're kind of a straight on me. And I have them paired with my new shoes. I forget the name brand of these already. They're ones that I've never heard of. Pella's Mode or something. Yeah, they're gray suede, and I got them from Zappos, I believe. And that is my outfit for today. Take care and see you tomorrow for another day of styling. Hi everybody, it's Thursday. One more day left. Today's outfit I kind of copied from another YouTuber, the Reintroduction of You. I'm sorry I don't know her name. I will link her channel down below in the comments, or actually not the comments, but the description. And I would like to point out her channel used to be called Chucks and Chapstick. She just changed her channel name. And she recently underwent a tummy tuck. So if you're interested, she did a whole video series on that and what she went through with that. So I've been watching her for years when she was Chucks and Chapstick, and yeah, she gave me this idea. So I watch a lot of YouTubers to try to also get inspiration of what I already own. What I'm wearing today is definitely not an exact clone of what she had on, but it is, similar in concept, all right? She had on a pair of hot pink trousers, which I believe she got from Express, and they were a more voluminous, wider leg. Mine are a straight leg. I got them from a Stitch Fix. I believe they're cut from the cloth. I paired with it, she had a white tee, I think, on with hers, and I paired with it this sweater knit polo that I got. It's short sleeve, and I got this at TJ Maxx. It was a TJ Maxx find, all right? And paired with it, it's a very simple outfit, just a light blue denim jacket. And something about this outfit inspired me. The color combo inspired me. I don't know, I saw it on her and I just liked that combo. So yeah, I cloned it because I'm not gonna go out and buy another pair of hot pink pants when I already own a pair, even though they're definitely a different style than what she had. I'm pretty sure she had on some nicer shoes than these. I just put on some sneakers because I'm going to be comfy today in this casual sporty outfit. And that is my outfit for today. Take care and see you tomorrow for another day of styling. Hi everybody, keeping it real here. I had a hell of a day. Got up, went to the gym at 5 a.m. as usual. Came home, quickly showered. I actually got my Stitch Fix, which the mailman left outside in the elements, and I unpacked. So I had to bring that in and unpack it, make sure it wasn't damaged. It was not. And then I had to hurry up and take a shower, go to my nutritionist, quickly go do some food shopping, came home and had been online nonstop all day. And I'm just now doing a video to show you what I wore. I didn't even get a chance to put on any jewelry, so my outfit is very bland. It was bland to begin with. I had another outfit already picked out. It was a really pretty spring outfit, but Mother Nature had other ideas. So I pulled out this last night to wear. It is my tan, like bomber style jacket. It's by Blank NYC. I originally purchased this from Nordstrom, but a nice subscriber actually emailed me and told me it was now at Nordstrom Rack for like half off. So I returned it at Nordstrom and I purchased it at Nordstrom Rack. Underneath it is an oldie but a goodie. It is, I believe it's by 41 Hawthorne from Stitch Fix. It's just a plain navy knit top. Very super comfortable. Sometimes when I get my Stitch Fixes, I go, I don't like something or I don't want something because it's a basic. But this was a basic that definitely got the wear out of it. It's a great layering piece. And actually, I'll give you a little hint. In my next Stitch Fix, I got a similar type of knit top, and I'm considering keeping it. I haven't even tried it on yet, but I'm already considering keeping it because this was a workhorse in my wardrobe already. So possibly considering that top. We'll do a try on and figure it out. With it, I have my cut from the cloth jeans that I'd ordered directly from them, and I put on my clogs by Steve Madden. And that is my outfit for today. Oh, and by the way, this 41 Hawthorne top is navy. And this would look like a much nicer outfit if I actually finished it up with jewelry. But again, it was the day I was having. Take care and see you tomorrow for another day of styling. Hello everyone, today is Saturday. Got myself a late start this morning after being kept up all night by torrential rain. Ran into the gym, ran my miles, did my workout, and had my breakfast, showered. Here I am. So what am I wearing today and what am I doing? Okay, so today I'm gonna go to a local crafts fair. I've actually never been to a craft fair. I've been to a craft fair, but like 1,000 years ago. So this is my first time in a long time, and it's a fairly large one. It's one for my county. So I'll check it out. It's at the local community college. I am wearing a green crochet sweater that I got last year from White House Black Market. I'll take the jacket off so you can see the cute back detail in this. No one else will see the back detail today because the weather, Mother Nature decided to bring us back into the 50s. It is nasty, cold, and rainy out there. So this jacket by Liverpool, which I got from a Stitch Fix upon my request, will stay on for the day. I actually requested this jacket because I started having a lot of green and then nothing to put over it. And as I always said, I'm always cold. So this jacket will stay on me. I'm wearing my Vigos jeans. I specifically chose these jeans because they are like a crop length. They're to my ankle. Usually when I wear heels, they're to my ankle. but I'm wearing my old Adidas sneakers because it is just disgusting out there. I mean, it's just pouring. It's nasty. Jewelry. I usually don't talk about my jewelry. I had a hard time deciding whether I should wear silver or gold with this today. So I went both ways. I wore my silver and gold braided necklace. And then when I was deciding on earrings, I kind of like these earrings because they got like this kind of filigree type of style that kind of goes with the pointail here in the sweater. So that is my outfit for today to go into a craft fair. Take care and see you next week for another week of styling. And thank you for returning subscribers. I appreciate your support. If you haven't subscribed yet, what's holding you back? Give this video a thumbs up and click the notification bell to get notified of future videos from me. Take care. Until next time.